Good evening, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is doing good. So today in Nifty and Bank Nifty, there was a huge gap down, 100 points in Nifty and 200 points in Bank Nifty, and there was a good buying we have seen in Nifty, and again a good sell-off also we have seen. So let's check the open interest analysis and we'll see what the big player are planning for tomorrow. As tomorrow is the month-end expiry, so this month-end expiry will be a huge volatility. So there can be a huge side movement also we can see and downside movement also we can see. So let's check. We'll follow by FII in option index contracts. At put they were holding 4,15,000 of puts. Now they have added 47,000 contracts, so they have 4,62,000 contracts in put. In call they were holding 1,71,000 contracts. Now they have increased their call also by 61,000 contracts, so they have 2,32,000 contracts. So in options they increase their put and also increase their calls also, but the volume of put is hugely high. In future index they have increased the longs and reduced the shorts by 7%, so 28% long they have and short 72%. So it means they have booked the profit in shorts today. And here in stock future percentage, no changes. They have 49% long and 51% short. And we have still seen a good sell-off in cash market also. The value is 2 crores 772 in rupees. So we have seen 2,772 crore sell-off in cash flow. So the view of DAFII is very much negative. Let's check the client. Client are the retailers in put. They were holding 4,26,000 contracts in put writing. Now they have increased their put writing by 10,000 contracts. So they have 4,37,000 put writing contracts. In call they were holding 2,56,000 call. Now they have reduced their calls by 14,000 contracts. So they have 2,42,000 contracts in call. And in future index they have 64% long and 36% short. It means they have reduced their 1 percentage long and increased their short by 1 percentage. And in stock futures they have increased 1 percentage long and reduced 1 percentage short, so they have 84% long and 16% short. And here in cash flow we have seen client purchase for 84 crores. So view of client is very much bullish now in all the derivative segments, and also in cash market they have purchasing. So promoters in put they were holding 28,000 contracts of put writing. Now they have increased the put writing by 30,000 contracts. So they have 58,000 contracts in put writing. And in call they were holding 4,29,000 of call writing. Now they have increased their call writing by 46,000 contracts. So they have 4,75,000 contracts in call writing. And in future index they have increased their longs and reduced the short by 2 percentage. So they have 49% long and short of 51 percentage. And in stock futures they increase 1 percentage long and decrease 1% short. So they have 68% long and 32% short. So it means see index future index it is neutral for them. 50-50 they have made, and in options they are very much negative. And this is also a good buying we have seen in future stock. This is also positive. And we have seen in cash flow also they have purchased for 40 crores. So the promoter view we can say neutral to bearish only we can consider this. This is hedging position. If the market falls they are ready to book the good profit, and if market move higher they can book profit in futures, and they will unwind this call writings and book the profit in put writings. DIA have purchased for 2,544 crores in cash market. So DIA have helping the market to stay stable. So the total in cash flow is 100 crores negative figures. Let's check the PCR for Nifty as tomorrow is month end, so both today and month end will be same. Nifty is 0.61 and Bank Nifty is 0.53. So Bank Nifty is oversold and Nifty we can say Nifty is at good buying zone only. So let's check the global market and view for tomorrow. We'll see Nasdaq today. See Nasdaq having a very good support at this level 10,780 is a very good support. If this break, then surely we can see a very good downside movement. Anyhow, it is trying to take support at this level. It's trying to break. We'll see in 5 minutes time frame. So just the market has opened. We'll see Dow Jones. Dow Jones also has recovered now. It was open negative only. It has recovered. So we'll see the support in longer time frame for Dow Jones. It almost broken their support. It is in a downtrend only. So Dow Jones, so the Dow Jones and Nasdaq they are in downtrend only. So let's check the India VIX. See India VIX is at 22. This is a not comfortable zone. So here option buyers can make good money. So what for tomorrow? See as per the PCR we had to take support and we have to consolidate and the market has to move higher as per the PCR. But we don't see any good buying figure or any good candle in this chart that market can go higher. We only have seen a negative side in Nifty as well as in Bank Nifty also a clear downfall. No support it has taken anywhere in a longer time frame. So what for tomorrow? See tomorrow we can get both the side trades long and short also we can say because here the client is not scared of any global market news, a negative news, and he is not scared what FII is doing, a short position they have made, what promoter is doing, and his FII selling in cash market. They are making a very bullish position and they are sitting with that bullish view in put writing also. So this is very good. If this support, then we can also see upward movement, and if this client they have been scared and they unwind this position, then we can see a good fall also. So FI have made a negative position and promoter is also having a very good negative positions. So tomorrow if market drastically fall and if consolidate at some levels, then we can see a short covering also. Short covering means market can move violently high. So tomorrow both the things is possible. If market fall drastically, it will take support somewhere, and if it recover, it will recover drastically. This is one scenario. Or the second scenario is if market is neutral, if no one is ready to close any of the position, then it will be in sideways only. So if you are a new player or if you're not a safe player, then please don't enter tomorrow. Even if you still want to trade, then you can trade with small quantities. You can make a Nifty and Bank Nifty and you can trade. As per the chart is very much negative only. We don't see any bullish view. the market is taking any support and moving higher. So if you still want to take a bet, then sell on rise still be a strategy. So I wish everyone make good profit tomorrow. So that's it for today, guys. Do like, share, and subscribe to my channel.